guys, welcome back to Let's Insight. In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 6 trending technologies of 2020. And also, I'll talk a bit about each of them. So, come on, let's begin. So, firstly, it's the AI. AI is the artificial intelligence. It actually refers to the simulation of human intelligence in missions. It is programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. Some examples of artificial intelligence include the computers that play chess and self driving cars and a lot more. Okay, now the second goes to the data science. So, data science is a field of study which is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods and processes and algorithms to extract knowledge from either structural or unstructural data. So, data science is also related to data mining, machine learning, and big data. So, the third one is the IoT. IoT is nothing but the Internet of Things. It is a system of interrelated computing devices that are provided with unique identifiers. So, in other words, we could say it's the way how two machines communicate. Having each of them a unique identifiers, they will identify themselves uniquely and they'll communicate with the other machine that similarly has a unique identifier. The next one is the blockchain. A blockchain is a chain of blocks that contains information. A blockchain is a timestamp of digital documents. We can also say it's the timestamp of transaction that happens. It can also be called as a ledger. This technology was firstly originated and described in 1991. This was intended to timestamp the digital documents to avoid backdating or tampering. The digital currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and so on are transferred from computers to computers. These are digital currencies that are not tangible. These are transferred from one computer to another. So the record of such transaction happens in the blockchain. There are different types of blockchains depending upon the digital currencies. There are Bitcoin blockchain, Ethereum blockchain, Litecoin blockchain, and so on. So a blockchain usually is an interconnected chain of blocks. So basically, if you consider a single block, it will contain the details such as the sender's information, the receiver's information, like who is the sender and who is the receiver, and it also has the hash. A hash is something like a code, something which is unique, like a fingerprint. And a specific block will also contain the information of the previous hash, that is the hash which is present in the previous block. So we can also consider this like a linked list. So it's very secure, and if someone tries to modify the transaction, or if someone tries to modify it, the hash will automatically change. So in that way we can detect that there is a change that has taken place. So it's very useful for detecting any illegal actions taken or any fraud actions. Now the next comes the RPA. RPA is robotic process automation. It's nothing but instructing a machine to execute repetitive manual tasks. To simplify, RPA is to automate repetitive tasks that were previously handled by humans. So it actually reduces labor costs and also as well as prevents human error. RPA is a software robot that mimics human actions. Now you may get confused that RPA is something that is similar to AI, and why it is even in a separate category. Robotic process automation, also known as RPA, is something which is similar to AI, right? So now let me tell you the main important difference. And actually, AI and RPA are not even same. They are completely different. When it comes to RPA, or the robotic process automation, it is a software or a software robot that will just mimic the human actions, or it will just produce the results fastly and without any much of human error. When it comes to AI, it is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. So when it comes to AI, is the simulation wherein the learning happens. Unlike RPA, in AI, a robot or any software program, it should have the ability to perform the tasks without even human guidance. Like, not only the tasks which are repetitive, not only the tasks which are very well known or very well proclaimed by the humans, it has to be able to perform the tasks even that are not described. So basically it's just the learning. So if something is described in this way, AI should recognize that if something similar to this way happens, what has to be done. So something like that. So RPA is just a software that will just do the mimic, but unlike AI, it is just a simple software. AI is the simulation of human intelligence. So this is the main difference between both RPA and AI. Now finally, it's the virtual reality. Virtual reality is the use of computer technology to create a simulated environment. VR places a user inside an experience. So unlike a user interface, the user is in itself placed inside an experience. So instead of viewing a screen in front of them, users are like immersed and they are able to interact with the 3D models that are present. So let us see the usage and the purpose of virtual reality. So you might have seen the virtual reality being used most commonly in gamings. So it is used to create immersive experiences that can help education easier and even to entertain. So in this video, I just discussed the hot 6 technological trends of 2020. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos on technology and lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.